Hi there and welcome to the Crimson Mage channel, whereby we will be talking about the science behind our food. Today is another interesting day whereby we will be talking about kimchi. No, not that kimchi. This kimchi. And at the end of the show, I will show you how to make kimchi at home. So let's go. So, what is a kimchi? Well, basically, it is the fermented vegetable, South Korean style. So, that's it, right? That's kimchi? That's kimchi, right? So, should we end the show? Should we end the video? Okay, this time we will really talk about kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean word that means fermented vegetable. Although there are 200 types of Korean kimchi, the world knows kimchi more as a spicy, pungent, and pure umami flavored fermented Napa cabbage. Fermented vegetables have been a crucial part of many cultures' diet. This is because before the invention of the refrigerator and GMO plants, fermenting vegetables was one of the only ways people could eat vegetables all year long.
That salad's totally grossing me out. I've completely lost my appetite.
But why is kimchi, a very pungent vegetable, so much more popular than the rest?
I'm sorry that people are so jealous of me, but I can't help it that I'm popular.
The answer is worth $77 million. Oh my god, that's so expensive. You see, back in 2008, South Korea had the opportunity to send Miss Yi So-yeon to space. It was a big deal, as if Miss Yi successfully completed her mission, she will be the first South Korean nationality and the third female human to be sent to space back then. Part of the $77 million price tag for promoting kimchi back in 2008 was to fund a special, low calories and mineral rich version of kimchi for Miss Yi's space mission.
Kim has spent most of the last 2 years in a laboratory making kimchi ready for space. His team starts by irradiating and slightly cooking regular kimchi to reduce bacteria. Then the dish is frozen and rapidly dehydrated in giant appliances in an industrial facility next door. Finally, it is cut into little cubes that look like biscuits, then vacuum sealed into plastic bags. Astronauts can cut right into the bags and add water, rehydrating the cabbage and spices. Then it is ready to eat right out of the plastic.
Very good.
As you can see, it was detrimental for South Korea to ship kimchi to space. More so, I allegedly believe than Miss Yi's mission. Kimchi had a world domination back in 2008, so much so that South Korea's tourist arrival jumped 70% from 2009 to 2015, and Kimchi Institute was born in 2009. Just to humor myself, I googled kimchi's market and it is worth $1.2 billion in 2020. Okay, I have a little...
Catch me outside, how about that?
With Malaysia, we sent Mr. Syed Muzaffar Shukr to space in 2007, and we never did promote our national dish whatsoever back then. I googled our national dish Nasi Lemak's net worth in 2020 and I couldn't find anything. The Nasi Lemak industry was non-existent. I am clocking Malaysia the house.
Horrible, the house. Why?
We could have had a $1 billion industry if we were smart enough back then, and that is the tea. Well, what are the benefits of kimchi? Well, kimchi has been known to have a lot of nutritional properties for our health. It is a rich source of probiotic, high in vitamin and minerals, dietary fibers, and functional phytochemicals. Not to mention, kimchi is low in calories. Damn! Yet, I want to emphasize one beneficial properties kimchi have, which is anti-obesity. Yes people, there is a research suggesting that kimchi could help you not get fat. There is a medical journal published by Maangchi Choi that studies the effects of adding kimchi on mice when they are on a high-fat diet. The study basically put mice into 4 groups for 8 weeks. The groups are separated by their diets. One is on a high-fat diet, another one is on a high-fat diet with self-made kimchi, and another group is on a high-fat diet with commercial kimchi, and the last group of the mice is on a normal diet. What this study concludes is that the body weight and the body fat of the 2 kimchi-treated groups of mice was significantly lower than the high-fat diet group of mice. This research also found that the kimchi-treated mice groups have significantly lower serum level of their triglycerides, total cholesterol, insulin, and leptin compared to the high-fat diet mice group. So, research shows if you are on a high-fat diet, kimchi could allegedly reduce the obesity effects on you. Wow, that's impressive. Yet, this research also found that the mice group that was eating the normal diet did so much better in terms of everything. So, does this research expose kimchi to be a fraud superfood? On the contrary, it just shows that if you're on a high-fat diet, incorporating kimchi to your diet might actually benefit you. I'll link the journal below for your reference, but I'll simplify the findings for you. So, the next question is, can you make kimchi at home or can you get it at the grocery store? Well, from my extensive research in the world of YouTube, I came across a simple recipe from the queen of Korean cuisine herself, Maangchi.
Hi everybody. Today I'm going to make kimchi.
Okay, so this is the kimchi that I made from Maangchi's recipe. This is a very easy recipe. I'll upload my recipe next time, but I'll link Maangchi's recipe down below. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Until next time, to know more, you have to be more. Bye guys.